Happy Friday, everybody. It is Zach with Right Hire Consulting coming to you with more daily tips and tricks on how to grow your small business, land your dream job, or hire great new talent. Today I want to talk about networking. Gonna open up the playing field. And this is pretty general topic, right? Because this applies to personal development, professional development, everything in life, right? But networking is not as simple as just clicking a button to connect on Indeed, right? Networking it's guerrilla marketing for your own personal brand or as an employer for your brand, right? Uh, so it may not always seem like the easiest road on how to get started with networking. Some people may only know how to go and connect on LinkedIn, but really, you want to think about networking seriously as a marketing approach for your brand. And if you don't know where to get started, honestly, do some simple basic research because there's a million things you can be doing to promote yourself, to be engaging with the right communities, and to be helping make yourself stand out in the crowd. Whether you're the local plumber, right? Go to Home Depot, hand out business cards in the plumbing section 2 hours each day over the weekend. You got a small detailing company, do the same thing at the gas stations with, the little vacuums, right? Go and market yourself. Put yourself out there. Get a little feather duster with, your detailing company name on it. Hand out these free little feather dusters to people. Nobody likes cleaning their own car. I book detailings all the time. If somebody handed me one of those, I'd be booking in, calling in, hey, yeah, let's set up an appointment for 3 months from now. I need one on the books. Take my money. So seriously, think about what your end goal is, whether it's landing a job, whether it's finding, new customers. Think about where the decision makers or where your customers are, how you can engage with them, how you can generate some interest, right? And get a call to action in place. Like I said, it's not always easy, but it takes work, right? It's not as simple as clicking a button. So, you know, you got to do what you can to actively be networking, to actively be putting yourself out there. We're talking conferences, local events, join a local chamber of commerce, right? Do whatever you can to be bumping shoulders with the right people and to get where you want to go. So that's what I've got for you today. Happy Friday once again. And for more daily tips and tricks on how to accomplish whatever your goals might be, follow here, get more daily.